What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Here is a build that I did for a buddy of mine. It is a pretty close replica of one that we did a couple of months back, but we did change up the wheels. Here is the card in the top right corner of the screen to that build. Check this build out. We went with the Icon Stage 4 because it is the lowest end one that still comes with the remote reservoirs. Get some cooling for that shock oil. And let's dive into the rest of the build. But first, here's that housekeeping we always talk about. For those of you returning, welcome back. Make sure that bell symbol is clicked so that you don't miss out on anything that we are producing here. For those of you that are brand new, thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to click that bell symbol, and make sure to comment below because it does help our analytics, puts it in front of eyes just like yours. Lego.